Hello dear students, today we are going to see class 6th English 2.3 all about news complete English workshop. First question, find the following from the news item. Headlines, Kanya Shala celebrate Maharashtra Din. Date, May 1. Place of reporting mentioned in the news, Chalisgaon. Next, read and discuss with your partner. Who organized the program? Answer, Kanya Shala Chalisgaon organized the program. Second question, where did the program take place? Answer, the program took place at Kanya Shala Chalisgaon. Next question, what did students do during the celebration? Answer, students sang the Maharashtra Rajya Geet, presented speeches and poems or traditional attire and took a pledge. Next question, rearrange and rewrite the following sentences in correct sequence. First, learner took a pledge. Second, teachers explained the importance of the day. Third, Maharashtra Din was celebrated. The principal addressed the learners. And last, learners presented speeches and poem. And the correct order is in this way. Maharashtra Din was celebrated. Second, teachers explained the importance of the day. Third, learners presented speeches and poems. Fourth, the principal addressed the learners. And last, learners took a pledge. Next, think and answer. Why do you think the headline is written in the bold letters? Answer, the headline is written in bold letters to catch the reader's attention and highlight the main topic of the news. Next question, find and complete the following from the news. First, proper noun. Chalisgaon, Kanya Shala, Maharashtra, Wednesday, May, Mr. Patil. Second, action words. Celebrated, explained, guided, motivated, address, conclude. Third, adjectives. Active, short, traditional, colorful, senior, responsible. Next question, read and understand the format of news. Write a news about the celebration of Kranti Din in your school. This is the format of the news. In this way, we can write this news. Headline, Kranti Din celebrated in school. Date, line, Pune, August 10. Lead paragraph. Our school celebrate Kranti Din on 9th August with great enthusiasm. We remember the great freedom fighters of 1942. Continuing the paragraph, the program started with a tribute to martyrs. Students gave speeches and sang patriotic songs. Our history teachers told us inspiring stories about the freedom struggle. Concluding paragraph. Finally, the principal guided the student to become a good citizen. The program ended with the national anthem. Next, use the table given below to frame the sentences in simple past tense. Here, subject, verb and object is given. The sentences are like that way. First sentence, I watch a movie. Second, we watch a movie. Third, you watched a movie. Next, he cleaned my room. Next, she cleaned my room. Next sentence, it helped the teacher. Next, they ran very fast. Radha ran very fast. Students ran very fast. Dear students, in this way we have completed 2.3 all about the news complete English workshop. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.